This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on iPhone. So if your Bluetooth not working or can't find any Bluetooth device, just follow these simple solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is allow Bluetooth sharing from content and privacy. Open your settings and tap on screen time, content and privacy restrictions, and here tap on Bluetooth sharing and select allow changes and then check the issue. And the second solution is restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and then check the issue. And the third solution is reset your Bluetooth settings. Go to settings, tap on general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset network settings. Once done, it should fix your Bluetooth issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.